So let's try an example using the addition method or the elimination method for solving a system of linear equations in two variables. So let's say I give you 2x plus 5y is equal to 6 as the first equation, and then 3x minus 2y is equal to 6x plus 2 as the second equation. And then rewrite that too. Now, this doesn't look like your run-of-the-mill linear equations, particularly because this second equation. But notice that if we subtract a 6x from each side and rewrite the problem over, then we get 2x plus 5y is equal to 6, and then minus 3x minus 2y is equal to 2 as the second one. So this, this looks more normal. This looks more like we are used to seeing when we want to solve linear equations in two variables. So now that we have that, we want to eliminate a variable. So let's say I want to eliminate the x variable. Now note that if I multiply the top equation by 3 and the bottom equation by 2, then on the top equation I'm going to get 6x, and then on the bottom equation I'm going to get minus 6x, which means the x's are going to cancel out. So doing this operation, on the top the equation changes to 6x plus 15y is equal to 18, and then on the bottom is minus 6x minus 4y is equal to 4. Now remember, because we multiplied both sides of the equation by the same thing, we haven't changed the equation at all. So this is perfectly legal to do. Now adding these two equations together, the 6x and the minus 6x cancel out and give us 0. Here 15y minus 4y is plus 11y. And then 18 plus 4 is positive 22. So our equation simplifies to 11y is equal to 22, or y is equal to 22 over 11, which is 2. So now we have our y variable, and now we should solve for x, because our system of equations is in terms of x and y. So the way to solve for x is to plug in y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, into either of the equations, whichever one you happen to like the most. I'm going to plug it into the first one. So I'm going to plug it into 2x plus 5y is equal to 6. So now doing that, we're left with 2x plus 5 times 2 is equal to 6. That means 2x plus 10 is equal to 6. And now subtracting a 10 from each side, we get 2x is equal to negative 4. So x is equal to negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. So now that we have our x and y, we should express our answer in an ordered pair. So we want to say, as our final sentence, the solution to this system is the ordered pair in coordinate form negative x comma y, excuse me. So for the x it's going to be negative 2 comma 2.